Hello traders, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how you can predict the next candlestick with candlestick psychology by following the trend. So let's start. This is GBP USD, okay, and this is downtrend. We can see the market movements like this. You can see the market movement like this. Go to place call option. Place call option because the market is moving lower highs and lower low. So there must be some retracement back to form a lower low. Because this is lower high, lower low. Lower high, lower low. So there must be a retracement like a buyer's entry to form a lower low. So the trend is going down, but in this kind of situation, as a binary trader, you have to observe the market movement by predicting each candlestick. If I am a forex trader, I would have, if it is forex platform, I would have placed sell. Okay. So I'm going to place put option. I place put option because of this minor downtrend. We can see the market direction. The next level is here. This candle close here, next level is here. So sellers will see entered again on the next candle because of this downtrend. So that's why I place lower option. Seems that all the pairs are in the same move. Okay. Go to place put option. Place put option because next level is here. So sellers will form a bearish candle to reach this level because the trend is downtrend. The market is creating lower highs and lower lows. So that's why I place put option. I think this one is different. This one, Euro JPY, Euro USD, but this one is different. This one, there's no trendy move. But I've seen a downtrend here. Go to place put option. Place put option because of this downtrend. And it seems there's no trendy move. There's no rejection. There's no seller's entry here to reach this level, I think. So I think the sellers again will enter on the next candle. There's no buyer's entry here. So sellers will enter on the next candle because of this downtrend. This doji candlestick confused me, so I thought I don't know what is going to form here. But let's see what will happen. If I lost this trade, I'll place one more trade. Okay, I lost the trade. Go to place put option. I place put option now because the trend is down. So I don't know what candlestick that will form here. So that's why I'm confused. That's why I lost this trade. I don't know the buyers will enter. So I thought it's going to be the bearish candle. It's going to be a bullish candle for to enter here, that is the buyers will enter, the sellers entered on the next candle, but definitely buyers entered on the next candle. So the market is still going down. I think the sellers will continue to this level. That's why I place put option. Place 2 more trades or 1 more trade. So because of this doji candlestick, that's why the buyers entered. The buyer is supposed not to enter here because of this doji candlestick. So no sign of sellers. Okay. Go to place put option because of this buyers sellers movement, and I didn't see any rejection from sellers. So I think the sellers will continue. I think the sellers will continue to this level. I think the sellers will continue to this level. So I think the sellers will continue to this level because I can see the sellers movement. No rejection from buyers, except these sellers become weak. So buyers should be entered from there. Okay, let me see how many trades I've taken now. I took 6 trades. 1 is OTM. Okay. So actually I was targeting 5 trades. So I have successfully taken 6 trades. 1 is OTM. Okay. So the first trade I took here was because the market is creating lower highs and lower low. The market is creating lower highs, lower low. Lower highs, lower low. So in this kind of situation, the market is going to create another lower low, but it seems the buyers are weak. So both the pressure from sellers and everything ended here. So that's why the sellers entered very strongly. But the reason why I place call option because the market is creating lower highs and lower low. So the next lower low is here. So that's why I place call option. So same thing here. I place put option because the market is creating lower highs and lower low. Lower highs, lower low. Lower highs. Next lower low is here, but definitely the sellers cross it. So it seems the sellers is not respecting the lower low, but still the trend is down. So everything is in the direction of the trend. So that's why I place lower option. And it's about to fill the next level here. Okay. And this I place lower option because still the market is still forming the same pattern. Downtrend. Lower highs and lower low. Lower highs and lower low. So the next level is here, but actually the candle crossed it, so buyers still entered. It means that this candle is still far from the level. So because of the market movement, next level is here. So that's why I place lower option. I lost the trade because I was expecting that sellers will enter here. So, maybe the buyers will enter here, but the buyers did not enter. So that means there's no sign of sellers. Buyers entered on the next candle. That's why I lost this trade. Okay. So I placed lower option because the trend is down. No matter what, this candle you're seeing here is a sign that there's no sellers candle here. That means at the expiry time, at the expiry of 1 minute, the candle closed as doji. So no sign of sellers. That's why the buyers enter. But because the market wants to go down, so I'm doing what the market wants. I can't go with buyers again because the market wants to go down. So that's why I placed lower option. And I placed lower option here because everything, the trend is down. And I look at it that I have lower highs here, lower low, lower highs, lower low. I think if market should continue to this level, it's going to create another lower low. So that's why I draw the trend line. There must be some buyers entry, except the buyers change their entry back and form a new trend. Okay, so that is how you can place your trade analyzing the market. So I took 6 trades. 1 is OTM because of my mistake. So this is how you can place your trade, and this is how you can analyze the market. Follow the trend, follow the trend, follow the momentum. Don't go against the trend. The trend is your friend. Okay, so if you like my video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.